What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the most comfortable shoe ever. We're going to be talking about the Air Max Furyosa today. This colorway here is the pistachio colorway. I absolutely love these colors. So this sneaker is fashion plus comfort. When you put on this shoe, it is literally like walking on clouds. No lie. This shoe is the most comfortable shoe I have ever had. You know, usually when you get a new pair of shoes, it takes a while to break in the shoe. Not these. The minute I put these on, they were just so comfortable. I recently did a lot of walking in these as well. I wore these when I had my mommy's night out when we stayed in Uptown. So I did a lot of walking in these and they were extremely comfortable. Also love the dual lace that they have here. That adds an extra little flair to it. That was like one of my favorite parts, honestly, was the dual lace in the back. You could take it out if you wanted to. I don't know why you would want to do that because they're so fire with the additional lace. And then navy blue is my favorite color, so definitely gotta love that it has that blue in there. And another thing that I really like about this shoe is that it has this extra padding here for your heel. So I know sometimes when I get new sneakers, my heel will rub up against in this area, but not with this one because it has that extra padding and they are just so comfortable. I'm really glad that I purchased these because these shoes have honestly been the most comfortable shoe that I've ever had. Since I fell in love with this pair so much, I had to get a second pair. I haven't seen this next colorway in person yet. I've only seen it online when I placed my order. They just arrived. I'm so excited to see them in person. So I'm going to do an unboxing here today with you guys just to unbox them and so you guys can get my first impression of the colorway and what I think about it right here, right now. So here they are. They just arrived and I've been waiting to open them because I wanted to open them with you guys. Okay. I am so excited about this. I love this color. This colorway is the slate. It's like a gray with this light lime greenish color with the purple. These are definitely fire. So this is the mystery pair that I ordered online and I am loving them. I'm not joking, guys. These are so comfortable. I'm all about comfortability. These are cute. I like the fashion aspect of them and also how comfortable they are. Like I said, I did a lot of walking in these when I was in Uptown and these were just like clouds, like pillows on my feet, no lie. And then the extra cushion as well was a bonus. And I also love the tie in the back. I'm gonna get these tied up here in a minute. I'm also gonna go ahead and try them on and give you guys an on feet, let you see how they look on feet. But man, these are fire. I don't know which ones are better. Which ones do you think are better? So they also have some other color options. They have like a black and green and purple one that is fire. I was tempted to get another color, but I don't want to get too carried away with the same shoe. Once I got this first pair, I had to have another one. That's just how comfortable they are. And I also love just how cute they are. These are going to be real cute in the summertime when you don't want to have your toes out, don't have on sandals or anything, don't have on any chanclas, and you want to put on some sneakers. These are going to be it. I can honestly say they look better in person from what they even look like online. I love that Air Max is like changing and revamping their style and coming out with the different colorways. I absolutely love this colorway. It's just perfect for me. They have maximum comfort, limitless style. They're so versatile. They can be worn with a number of things. You can wear with leggings, jeans, even shorts, or a dress I think would be cute. Very versatile. You could do so many things with them. And last but not least, they are so comfortable. That I was so happy when I put them on, and I was like, wow, like just walking around with them like pillows on your feet. So I definitely highly recommend them. So let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Let me know also if you already have a pair, what your overall thoughts are about them, because I absolutely love them. And so I have to get some drip for these. So I'm about to try these on, so stay tuned for on feet. So I do think that they run true to size. I usually get a 5.5 in boys or a 7 in women. These are a size 7, and I feel like they are true to size. The 7 was perfect for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to please give this video a big thumbs up. Meet me down in the comment section below. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I really would love to know what y'all thoughts are if you already have this shoe, or what you think about them just seeing them here with me today. Let me know if you like the color, and also don't forget to go out and check out the other colors that they have, because they do have some other fire colors as well. I just decided to not get those. These are the two that I do have, and I think these are bomb. Can't wait to wear them. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.